Hey, let's change affiliate marketing forever, especially for the beginners, especially for the little guy. How so? We're about to flip affiliate marketing on its head, and I want to invite you to check this out and, more importantly, possibly be part of history. Here's what I'm talking about. My name is Vic Strisius. If you don't know me, maybe we have never met, whatever. I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last 17 years or something like that. Started out not having $1.19 to my name. I was able to take myself from gutters, financially, literally, to generating well over $10,000 per day, not selling affiliate marketing stuff, courses, etc., like you see all the other gurus are doing, but actually in the trenches, promoting other people's products, doing the affiliate marketing things. For the last 2.5 years, we have been developing a platform, a technology that is going to revolutionize the way affiliate marketing is done forever. Let me ask you a question. Have you tried to do affiliate marketing by following the advice other people would tell you? Such as, here's your affiliate link, drive traffic to the affiliate link. Did you try it? Did it work? That's what I thought, right? Have you ever tried to promote business opportunities perhaps, and you relied on a company affiliate link? Did that work out for you? Probably not, right? Especially if you're somebody who is just getting started. It's like a catch-22, right? If you don't have a big following, if you don't have an influence, if you don't have the authority, you can't really do much. But then how do you get it without getting started? That type of stuff, right? I'm hosting a live event. You do not want to miss this for nothing in the world. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. I'm going to be revealing to you a technology that will change the face of affiliate marketing forever. And I want you to see it. If you're somebody who is interested in making a living, making full-time income from home, simply by collaborating with other companies and other people, where you don't have to create products, you don't have to customer service nobody, you don't have to deliver products, you don't have to have big overhead staff, nothing like that. You can literally run from your computer, right? And make very, very serious income on the internet predictably, and never ever rely on any affiliate link. Never rely on any company, never rely on any guru or anybody or anything, but run your business like it should. You do not want to miss this live event. There's going to be a lot of people. There's no registration. You're not going to have to opt in or whatever. Click on the link right below or around this video somewhere. It's happening tonight. Don't miss it. Check it out. It's a once in a lifetime potentially opportunity. We're going to do something that has never been done before in the space of affiliate marketing. I hope you're going to be there to witness it with us, and more importantly, possibly be a part of the army. See ya.